Usually, when we start a subject, when we start a course, we start from a very simple things. Not in this case. In this course, we're going to start probably from one of the most difficult things, because I want to start from the retouching actions. Why are we going to start from retouching actions? Because these are the most important. The retouching, cleaning up is the first thing you're doing to your image. So leave the color actions, leave all of the effects and color grading at the end, and keep the right order of your workflow. That's why we're going to start with retouching actions. And the thing is that retouching, cleaning up is usually the most difficult thing. However, I can guarantee you, if you're going to watch this course, you're going to see what I'm doing. The retouching actions or the retouching won't be really difficult. That's the point. When you're just beginner, you might think it looks difficult. When you understand it once, it will not be difficult anymore. So I have to tell you few words, few theoretical words, how we're going to start. Of course, the basic step in Photoshop is cleaning up, so like basic retouching. Let's zoom this image, and you have some of the spots on the skin that they're not actually necessarily looking well. Few over here, here, here. And usually how we work is we choosing healing brush tool or spot healing brush tool. I'm working on the separate layer. Why I'm working on the separate layer and why I created this? Because it's non-destructive. However, when we work on separate layer, here selected all layers. Then I'm taking a sample and covering the spot I don't like. Similar way works clone stamp. On one difference is clone stamp copy all the information, color and texture of the skin. However, healing brush copy only the texture and adjust the color till the area around. So let's try with clone stamp and see an example. Okay, we covered. So that's how we do usually cleaning up. In this course, I'm going to show you how to create really amazing frequency separation actions for your retouching. So we're not going to do the simple retouching, but we're going to bring up the retouching to the, not sure if we could say next level, but we make this much easier, much faster. You probably heard about frequency separation if you're watching YouTube videos. Some people probably even shared some actions. So what you get more from this course, I'm going to show you how to create basic frequency separation actions, and also I'm going to show you different variation of this, how to make it even better, how to make it even faster and way easier for you to speed up the workflow. And also by the fact how I'm going to show you, you can create your own examples of frequency separation actions. You can improve them and you can work with them in very different ways. So that was enough talking, introduction, you know where we start. And in the next lesson, we're going to finally create an actions and see some example of the actions.